In this video, we are going to learn how to create this glitch transition in After Effects without using any paid plugin. Also, stay till end of video as I am going to show you a free plugin to take your glitch transitions to next level. So let's get started. I have already imported footages into my After Effects scene. So now let's create a new composition here. Let's take the width and height of 1920 by 1080 here. And let's take the duration around 30 seconds for now. We are going to trim it after some time, and let's take the frame rate to 60 and let's click on OK here. Now we are going to import our footage here. So as you can see, I am having these two footages here. So let's just drag and drop it one by one. Let's just drag and drop this here, and let's just drag and drop this here. So now you can see we are having these two footages. These are 4K footages which I have downloaded from Pexels. So you can download from there various footages if you want. So now let's resize this footage as we are having a HD project and this footage is around 4K. So let's press S here and let's just scale this footage to around 52. And let's just scale this also to around 52. Now, after doing this, we are going to convert our footages into pre-comp here. Just right click here and just click on pre-compose. So we are going to click on pre-compose and let's just name it to footage 1 here. Now let's just click on this second one. Let's just right click here and let's just pre-compose this also. And let's just name it to footage 2. Let's go to layer, new, and let's take a solid layer. So we are going to have a solid here. We are going to take a color of black here and we are going to press OK here. Now we are going to add a pattern here, a glitch pattern. So you can easily do that with the help of a fractal effect. So let's just go to effects and presets here and let's just search for our fractal effect and let's just drag and drop our fractal noise into our solid layer. Now you can see we are getting this noise pattern here. Let's just switch it from basic. You are having various options here, but we are going to go to noise type here and we are going to change it to block. And now you can see we are having the small blocks of black and white and gray color. But I want a black and white color. For that, I am going to increase the contrast here. So let's just increase our contrast so we can have a pure black and white layer. So as you can see, we are having this black and white color now. And now we are going to resize this for our glitch effect. So we are going to go to our transform tab here. We are going to make sure that we disable the uniform scaling. So when I resize in X, it will only resize in X. And when I resize in Y, it will only resize in Y. So let's just turn this off now and we can play this. So let's just do something like this in X and let's just do something like this in Y. So we get this glitch effect here. Now we are going to use this layer, basically this block effect, this glitch effect as our displacement map to get that glitch effect here. So for that, we are going to go to layer, we are going to go to new and we are going to have an adjustment layer here. Now we are going to add a displacement effect here. So let's just type displacement and let's just drag and drop it to our adjustment layer here. Now we are going to change this our displacement layer to our dark gray solid and we are going to make sure that our source is set to effect and mask here. And as soon as you do that, you can see we are getting something like this. Okay, let's just hide it here. And now you can see we are getting this glitch effect on our screen here. Now let's just play with this displacement. So as you can see, we want only horizontal displacement, something like this. So we are going to take our vertical displacement to 0 now. Okay, now we are going to animate this as per our footage. So let's just decrease our duration now. So let's just take it around 5 or 6 seconds here. Okay, and let's just right click and trim comp to work area. Now we are going to just take this footage here and trim that also. So let's just take this. So it's going to start somewhere here. So let's just press Alt and bracket, which is after the P key. Now we are going to move it somewhere around here and we are going to go around 3 seconds. And here we are going to introduce our next footage here. So let's just press Alt and bracket here also. And here we are going to press the reverse bracket. So we trim this also. And we can just now zoom in here and just take it around here. Okay. So now we are getting something like this. So if I play here, you will see first I'm getting this footage here. and then I am getting this footage here. Now let's just create that glitch transition effect. So we are going to go around 3 seconds here. We are going to open our adjustment and we are going to apply a key on our max horizontal displacement here. And now we are going to open this here. So you can see we are having our key on our effect of displacement, as you can see here. Now we are going to make sure that on 3 it's set to basically 5, or let's say around maybe 7. So we want a more glitch effect, something like this. Then we are going to go backward here around 45 frames and we are going to do it 0 here. We are just eyeballing it right now, and then we will just play our footage and do the adjustment of our keyframes as per our requirement. Now we are going to go here and we are going to do 0 again here. So if I play here, you can see we are getting something like this. So let's just trim this also. So let's just do something like this, right click, trim onto work area. So now let's just play. We are getting this glitch effect, as you can see here. See, we can exit it also if we want. So we are going to do that right now. So let's just do that here. So let's just take this to around maybe 8. Okay. Now let's just add one more effect, which is exposure. So it get overexposed and then it get exposed again to its default value. So let's just type here exposure. And let's just drag and drop it to our adjustment layer here. So we are going to go somewhere around here. We are going to animate this exposure also to, let's say here it would be 0. Then if we go around here, it would be around, let's say 5 or 6. Okay, something like this. And again here it would be 0. So now let's see here also in exposure what we are getting here. So if I open this, you can see we have this keys here. So let's just take it somewhere around here. Let's just take this also somewhere around here. Okay, so let's just do some fast transitions here. So let's just play here. And now you can see we are getting something like this. See, so this is looking really good here. So let's just play it again. And as you can see, we are getting this transition, this glitch effect here. If you see here, see, this is looking really good. If you want, you can also adjust your glitch black and white frame, and it can be done easily by going to your dark gray solid. And because it is procedural, you can edit it anytime you want. So now we can play with our scale width also. And now you can see we are getting this glitch effect here. So this is looking nice. So let's just test it out. Okay, this is looking good. Okay, now let's just do one thing here. Let's just increase this here. Okay, and let's just increase this also to here, something like this. Let's just add one more effect here. It's a free effect, or you can say a plugin which you can download. I will leave the link in the description below. You can click on that link and get it for free. It's quick chromatic abbreviation. You just need to log in with your account, just need to add to cart and just download it. The installation process is also easy. You can read the readme file which is provided with the plugin and you can install it. If you don't want to install, this transition is completed here, but let's just take it to another level with the help of that plugin. So let's just type here quick, and you can see we are having this quick chromatic abbreviation, and we are going to just drag and drop it here. Now we are going to animate the scale of this. So let's just go over here and we are going to animate this scale. So you can see we are getting something like this. So this is also a transition you can do, like taking it to 122 and taking it to 0 again. But let's just add this to our glitch effect. So we are going to go to 100 here. We are going to scale our key. We are going to go around here and we are going to give it around 120. So now you can see we are getting that glitch effect, that chromatic abbreviation of R, G and B. This is looking really good. And again, we are going to go to our frame here. Okay, somewhere around here, and we are going to do 100 again. So now if I play here, and now you can see we are getting this beautiful glitch effect. Now if you want, you can also play with the timing of the keyframes here and achieve the effect that you want. Okay, So this is a really cool effect that you can create within After Effects without any paid plugin. So this is how easy it is to create glitch transition effect in After Effects. See you in next video. Bye bye guys.